This 2018 Coachmen Apex Nano 193 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 22 feet 1 inch in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, LP detector, stove top burner, external shower, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, leveling jacks, refrigerator, smoke detector, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Coachmen Apex Nano 193 BHS is 3,370 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.